with the permission of the chair, respected Sir, Sri C.H. Vijay Raju Garu, Gusted Headmaster of RMHS and Principal of RJC, and respected Madam Srimati Sunita Garu, the first in charge of RMHS, and today's special personalities, the women teachers of RMHS, and today's wonderful to-be teachers, esteemed colleagues of Gens faculty, and last but not the least, the 195th birth anniversary of the India's first women teacher, Srimati Savitribai Phule, wife of Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, who fought for the women education in India, a reformer, a revolutionary. In her honor, today we are celebrating her anniversary in RMHS. All the teachers to join in doing this honors to Savitribai Phule. Here we go. Each and every teacher in the dais is requested to offer the flowers to the portrait. Now, moving on to the importance of the day. Savitribai Phule, a story of courage and education. Let me tell you all a true story, a story of a woman who walked bearing insults, pelting stones in darkness by carrying a lamp of education. This story began nearly 175 years ago, where educating the girl child is considered as a sin. A very strong woman by named Savitribai Phule, very young woman, Savitribai Phule, stepped out of her house early in the morning, wearing a very simple sari and carrying the books in her hand, and in her bag she is carrying something special, something unusual, I should say. Any guesses what she is carrying in her bag, children, the Savitribai Phule? Any guesses? Here. We are going to show you what she is carrying in her bag. She is carrying an extra sari in her bag. Very interesting, isn't it? Why she is carrying the extra sari in her bag, we'll come to know later. As she walks in the streets of Pune, the people used to shout at her, saying that, why are you educating the girl child? Not only that, some threw mud at her, some threw cow dung at her. But she did not turn back. She did not argue with them. In the beginning, in the early stages of her life, Savitribai Phule herself is not educated as a child. After her marriage, her husband, Jyotirao Phule, taught her to read and write. From a student, she became a teacher, and from a teacher, she became a social reformer and later a revolutionary. Both Savitribai Phule along with Jyotira Phule have started a school for girls in Pune. Poems and spoke boldly against the injustice happening in the society. Not only this, even in her last days, she chose to do the service to the children. During the academic, sorry, during epidemic, plague epidemic, she chose to do the service to the children. Children serve the humanity. So, as a women teacher, we all should remember today when we are entering into the classroom, we are walking in the path of the path made by the path created by the Savitribai Phule. And as a girl student, you all should remember that you got right not simply by the struggle of Savitribai.
Today, children, we are very fortunate. Today we are here, standing here and getting education, and we are on the right platform given by the part of Savitribai Phule. In her honor, I think we all have to salute her for giving this chance of being in this grace along with men, equally with men in all areas. Thank you, one and all.
Teacher, the kind, gentle, supportive lady, Srimati Sarada Garu. In doing this, in honoring her, I request all the gen staff of RMHS to join us on the stage in doing the felicitation to Srimati Sarada Garu. Kindly, sir, please do join us, all the men staff. It is a request from our Sunita Madam Garu. My heartfelt thanks to all the Gen staff of RMHS for gracing the occasion and felicitating Srimati Sarada Madam. Now, we take this opportunity to honor some of our lady teachers for gracing this occasion. Now, I request Srimati Sunita Madam to honor our teachers. Firstly,
టైటిల్ చెప్పండి.
here honoring Nagavijayalakshmi Madam on the occasion of Women's Teachers Day with a cross belt with an adjective with the most deserving adjective. And equally she has the wit.
Madam, I request Srimati Annapurna Vani Madam to accept this. Sunita Madam is requested to honor her with this side bell with a suitable adjective and a very happy all the women employees, women teachers and the mothers of all the children. They are your first gurus. So a happy women's teachers to each and every woman.
Firstly, I call upon Mr. Srinivas Garu, the Senior TGT of RMHS,